Hi guys, in Microsoft Word, here between paragraph, if we set it is alignment to justify here, we get two lengthy spaces between words like this. So how we can resolve that? To resolve that, while keeping those as justify here, what we have to do, select paragraphs you want to resolve and cut it, okay? And you have to move your cursor to it is top line like this and paste again, but here you will see this yellow color icon called paste options and select it and select keep text only. Now you can see issue is gone, but here you have to select that paragraph and select whatever style you want like this, and here I set it is style to normal one and set it is alignment to justify like this. Now we can do whatever change we want like this. Alright, now we are going to do the same for below one. I'm going to cut this one and move my cursor to top. It is top line like this, paste it, and I'm going to select paste option, keep text only like this. Error is gone. I think we have to do the same for this paragraph as well. Move my cursor top like this, paste, keep text only. Hope this way works because we need to keep this alignment as justified. Right.